Let's see if you can complete your vision for the grass. So if you give that to me, so was that what you were thinking?
Yeah, that's it.
Has that got your half and half? You wanted half grass and half sky?
Yeah.
So now you were talking about some sunburst, so you wanted the sun to come in from which side? Bearing in mind that it's going to be reversed on the paper.
Oh, well, it'd be that side then.
Okay, so you've got two different yellows over there. Are you going to kind of blend the yellow and the red to get the effect you're after?
Yeah,
You've got two different reds here.
I was going to put red first and then yellow in the centre and then maybe just draw it out slightly.
Okay, well let's give it a go then. I mean, the only way to find out whether it's going to be what you're imagining is to try it.
Yeah. So, just sort of there, I suppose. Because that'll push the sky down a little bit, won't it? Sort of just, right. What did I say? Yellow and red in the centre. Yeah, so it's yellow first then.
I'm filming it because if it turns out well, I'll have your idea off you. That's good. It's good for people that.
Actually, look how that looks like the sun setting behind a cloud because it's sitting on it, isn't it? I don't know if I want the rays on that.
Well, try it like this on the paper, because if you do this, if you finish this one, you'll have time to do another one, and then you've got two different versions, and then you can choose the best.
I'm just wondering now, do I put sun rays on that? Or do
Go for it.
What, sun rays?
Joy's saying go for it.
It's kind of funny shape now. The flowers.
So if you're putting a flower on, you need to think.
Sun, isn't it? So I can put it into the grass.
Well, it's up to you. I mean, it's your. Obviously, if you're putting it, if you wanted it at the top here, it would just have to be a very small flower. If you put it down here, it can be bigger. So it depends on the scale you're looking for.
Right. So, what did I do? Dark green, didn't I first?
That's it, stem first.
Three smiles.
That's it, 3 smiles. Well, that's quite small, so you probably only want to do 2, to be honest. 3 might be too many. Oh, you came down. It's supposed to be a smile.
Oh, sorry.
It's gone sad.
Oh.
You had a happy smile and then a sad. So remember to finish it off. You're going to need to do your one there. That's it. And now to complete it.
It was here down, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
And then stop, and then in
Yeah.
from the other side.
All the way down.
So, and then you. So what flower head are you going to
And
use?
I did the daisy. So a purple.
And you did purple, pink, and then yellow.
Was it? Did I do
I
purple?
think you might have had a blue in there. Oh yeah, you've done
Blue,
blue. Yeah, you
and
did.
then red.
Purple, blue, pink,
And then
and then. So you make the flower, then finish off with the yellow spot. So if you've got a stem in it,
I've got a bit of
yeah, make sure it's really clean.
yeah, I've got a bit
Just
of red.
take fresh.
Yeah, I've got a bit of
sure.
red on there.
Always go opposite.
Oh, yeah.
If you want it symmetrical.
It's just automatic to go round, isn't it?
Okay, so is that the kind of composition you were thinking of?
That is, yeah.
Okay, so now
yeah.
you've got time to, what is it? It's only 12:30.
Right.
So you've got time to look at that and then decide what you need to change about it, what you like, what you don't like.
I think I need some yellow in the grass, maybe to contrast with the green of the flower, so the flower shows up.
I need some dandelions.
Mm.
Some dandelions.
Yeah.
A few weeds. We need some
Yeah.
weeds in there.
Well,
What about snails?
yeah.
Woodlice?
Or maybe just do blue sky so the flower shows up more. Is there two different blues, did you say?
If I were doing it, I would put one more dark one in. So you've got a bit of depth to it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now you can create your stem. I mean, you could make that a little bit bigger actually. And then you've,
A bit more dark.
yeah. Okay, so now start creating your stem.
Doesn't really want to be much longer than that, does
Yeah,
it?
I reckon that'll be about it because your stem is going to get longer when you start
So
doing the leaves.
3 smiles.
That's it, 3 smiles. 1, 2, 3. So now what you can do to finish off the bottom one,
Extend.
That's it. and then to finish off the top part,
Extend.
that's it. And now,
Down
halfway,
halfway. Down.
all
All
the
the
way.
way.
There you go. So now you can put your head on and it's going to have a nice contrast with the background. What do you think of Anne's progress, Joy? She up to standard yet?
I think so, yeah, she'll do.
I mean, she's doing a brilliant job.
Concentration.
Well, you've only had one lesson that you came to before. That was a 2-hour lesson that you shared.
Mm.
and then this lesson. So I think that's tremendous progress.
Just have to be slightly wonky flower.
Well, all flowers aren't perfect, are they?
It's the pressure of being filmed.
Oh, is it? Do you want to stop?
No, that's all right. Forever for perpetuity, the record of it. No.
Yeah,
Nearly.
almost.
Nearly. Where's my little? Oh. Just lose concentration.
That's it. The
for
fine,
a
fine,
second.
fine point of the needle's all you need, isn't it, for that tiny little.
And I need it in my other hand as well.
There you go.
Teeny bit more.
It'll regress. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You let it sit there for a moment.
That'll shrink back.
Okay. So you
slightly.
happy? Is there going to be any more flourishes
Does
or
there
embellish?
need anything here? Well, the blue will show through, won't it?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
blue.
Yeah. It won't be white.
That's
It'll
it.
be blue.
Yeah, that's it. No, that's
So it's going to be like a pale blue
background.
sky, and then obviously your sunset colours at the top, green at the bottom. So you've got your thirds going on with your flower head peeking in. So you ready to capture it?
Yep.
There is a tiny little specks opened up right in the centre there.
Oh,
So
right.
do you want me to fix that?
Does that need a repair?
I could repair it, yeah. It's up to you if you want to keep it on there.
What will it come out as then? A white?
It will just be a white speck in the centre.
Oh, right. No, if you could just do. I can see why you spend hours doing this.
Yes.
It's
Here we go. Hold it. Let's see if we can see. There we go. Right, we'll compare it on the drying rack in a sec.